Gathering diverse data from multiple sources, formats, and languages poses a significant challenge in company assessments, consuming valuable time and resources. OptiSol's elsAi tackles data diversity, intelligently extracting and standardizing information from multilingual documents for rapid insights into company information. Let us see elsAi in action with a specific example wherein elsAi analyzes Cypriot company documents in Greek and aggregates the information in a standard credit report template. Simply upload all the company documents onto elsAi. Upon successful validation and upload, elsAi intelligently extracts information from uploaded documents, presenting a summary of the template. Within seconds, elsAi generates a comprehensive credit report template offering a quick overview of the company's health, ownership, share capital information and financial standing. The report is divided into separate sections for clarity. Basic company details from compliance and communication address registration documents, company's capital generated from memorandum and articles of association document, authorized capital breakdown form the company's annual reports, shareholders details of the company from the company's annual reports, company's directors and secretaries. The final section, a short summary on the overall financial position of the company with key findings and recommendations. Find a detailed breakdown of the financials covering information from the company's balance sheet to income statements, all in one template. Download the PDF template for a complete view of all these sections. Another example illustrating elsAi's prowess is in intelligently mapping non-standard representations, like those highlighted in the same color code across balance statements from different companies. These disparate representations are automatically standardized, sparing the laborious manual mapping and standardization process, as showcased in the output. This ensures that financial data points across all companies are represented in common standard terms. This is a simple example of how elsAi streamlines intelligent processing of data, slashing turnaround time by nearly 50%, transforming complex documents into usable information in any language, empowering confident business decisions. Eager to bring in efficiency and overcome the data aggregation hurdle? Contact us today.